Filipino phrases used when angry. Bahala na, whatever. Huwag kang makialam. It's none of your business. Naiinis ako. I'm upset. Hindi ka naman nakikinig. You're not listening. Tama na yan. That's enough. Itigil mo yan. Stop it. Ano bang ginagawa mo? What the heck are you doing? Sino ka ba sa tingin mo? Who do you think you are? Ano ba? What? Ayaw kong makipag-usap sa'yo. I don't want to talk to you. Niluloko mo ba ako? Are you kidding me? Nakakabigo naman ito. This is so frustrating. Ano ngayon? So what? Bingi ka ba? Are you deaf? Bulag ka ba? Are you blind? Lumayo ka nga sa akin. Stay away from me.